Feel like your mornings are chaotic or rushed? In today's Thrive in 5, I'm walking you through the perfect 10-minute morning routine that sets the tone for a focused, productive day without waking up an hour earlier.
You are listening to the Thrive in 5 podcast with Cindy Gordon. This is your daily dose of productivity, motivation, and success strategies. I am here to turn your big dreams into actionable goals one step at a time. Ready to make the most of the next 5 minutes? Let's dive in.
Let's be real, some mornings are smooth and other feels like a sprint from the second your feet hit the floor. But you don't need a full hour to start your day with intention. Just 10 minutes can reset your energy, get you grounded, and you can walk into your day with clarity and confidence. This routine is simple, flexible, and designed for real life. Let's break it down. You're going to start with 2 minutes of stillness. This could be deep breathing, a short prayer, a mindful pause with your coffee, or just sitting quietly while the house is still. These 2 minutes will help you choose how you want to feel today, instead of letting the chaos choose for you. Then you're going to spend 3 minutes reviewing your priorities. Ask yourself, what are the 1 to 3 things that will truly matter today? You're going to ask yourself, what can wait? You're going to ask yourself, what do I need to be most present? This is where you shift from reactive to intentional. If you're already using my daily success framework, this is a great time to open it up and get clear. Then take 2 minutes to visualize your success. Picture yourself completing the top tasks on your list. How do you feel once they're done? What's the energy you are carrying through the day? Visualization helps to activate your brain to believe it's possible, and you'll show up more focused because of it. Then take a minute to speak it out loud. Affirmations like, I am focused and in control of my time, or I am showing up with purpose today, help create a powerful mental shift. Say it with confidence because your brain is listening. And finally, you're going to use your last 2 minutes to move your body. Stretch, breathe, walk to the kitchen, and grab a glass of water. Nothing intense, just a physical cue that says, let's go. Movement wakes up your energy and tells your brain it is time to engage. This isn't about doing more, it's about doing what matters on purpose. When you start your day with stillness, clarity, and a little movement, you're not chasing your day, you're leading it. You walk into meetings, decisions, and your to-do list already grounded, and that's important. That's the power of a purposeful 10-minute start. Your action step to implement this tomorrow morning. Here we go. You're going to set your timer for 10 minutes. Follow this routine exactly as it is, or if you feel the need, you can adjust it to your rhythm. Notice how it impacts your mindset, productivity, and energy throughout the day. And if you love it, make it part of your new daily non-negotiable. You don't need a 5 a.m. miracle routine. You just need a few intentional minutes. You've got this.
Thanks for tuning in to the Thrive in 5 podcast. If you found value in today's episode, I'd love for you to leave a review. It helps more listeners discover the show. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a dose of productivity, motivation, and success tips. And hey, share this episode with a friend that could use a little extra inspiration. Until next time, keep thriving and remember, you've got this.